subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has finally launched the successor of the last year launched Galaxy S23 FE smartphone globally as Galaxy S23 FE. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy S23 FE features a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Exynos 2200 chipset, or Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset in some other region. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Galaxy S23 FE sports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 123-degree field of view, along with the 8-megapixel telephoto lens, with 3x optical zoom support. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 8K video at 24 frames per second. For selfies, it has 10-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a large 4500 mAh battery, with 25 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13 out of the box, based on One UI 5.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 150 by 76.5 by 8.2 millimeters, and it weighs around 209 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy S23 FE has been priced in the US market at $599, and it will be soon available for purchase in mint green, purple, graphite, and cream color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy S23 FE smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.